Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Well, it was quite a sell-off weekend so far. It's been a sell-off weekend so far. Not necessarily expected. Well, it was one of the scenarios, but normally on the weekend we see rather quiet price action, but at the moment it's rather going down, and we're basically back in the range from where the rally that started on Monday originated from. So it's not really much happened, right? Because all we've seen this week was a move up and a move down. So essentially, this is just corrective price action. No significant upside breakout yet. All right, no significant upside breakout yet. What we wanted to see for a confirmation that a low formed here was a 5-wave move up and a break above the green line. Both didn't happen, and it's very clear that the price formed only a 3-wave rally. As always, first confirmation for a low is a 5-wave move up. That's why we're always watching for it. Until we get that, there's never a confirmation. So typically after 3 waves, that is when it can fail easily, and it did. Now that doesn't really mean that much changes. All it means we're back in the range from where the rally originated from. And we've had a few attempts, right? So on the 19th, we had an attempt, failed. Came back again. From the 27th, another attempt. Okay, failed. And now we're back in the range. Not quite. Well, yeah, we are in the range still. It would be good now if the price could actually form a lower low. I mean, ideally not to break below $19.24 because that is the lower boundary of the upper support area. But a lower low below the A-wave low. Not necessarily, much lower than that, but it would be good to see another 4-5 pattern, all right, to complete the to complete the structure in a C wave. Now, what I really want to see is that the market finds some support before breaking below $19.24. I mean, that's the main thing we need to watch for. That the bulls turn up before the price breaks below that 78.6 retracement, and I'm tracking the decline as a potential 5-wave move. So because it's a C wave, right? And all of this was probably then the A wave. This is a 3-wave B wave, and this could be a 5-wave C wave. So next levels to watch for are $22.33, $21.38, $20.47, and $19.24. So these are the 4 fib support levels to watch for, to track. And the other thing to watch for is resistance. So what we also need to watch for is a potential break of resistance. We can define what resistance is. The pace and the aggressiveness of the decline indicates this is an internal third wave in an impulse. So unfortunately, impulses go down at the moment rather than up. But if it's an impulse, we have clear parameters. So that's the advantage. What we're tracking is the 50% Fibonacci retracement, the 50% retracement level, and that is located here. So I'm going to add that to the chart. I'm going to add the 23.6 and 38.2 retracement levels as well. So this would be initial resistance, yeah? It takes basically a break above $24.32 to indicate that a low of sorts is in place. But this level is not so relevant at this stage. Only when we see some kind of a bounce, then this area will be important, because let's assume the third wave goes a little lower. I would have to adjust micro resistance with the price, okay? So it will go down with the price, but for now, this is where it is. And yeah, another 4-5 pattern would be ideal, and it might land somewhere around $21.38 or $20.47, depending on how low the third wave gets. So we will track that. And yeah, overall, not much more to say. So it's a clear failure of a breakout, and we need a new evidence that the low is in place. So market needs to try again, possibly early next week. I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.